How to clear Safari browser history with restrictions. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to clear Safari browser history with restrictions. First, open the Settings app on your mobile phone. Scroll down and find the Screen Time option. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off the toggle to enable content and privacy restrictions. You can always disable it again later if needed. Scroll down and you will find different options. Now, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Here, you will find the Web Content option. Tap on it and mark a tick on Unrestricted. Another way is to open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and find the Apps option. Then, tap on it and select Safari. Locate and tap on the Clear History and Website Data. Hit the Clear History button to clear Safari browser history with restrictions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.